The Haudio 10.1-inch double-din car stereo offers seamless smartphone integration with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing for easy access to navigation, music, and messaging apps. With its high-quality ASP EQ sound tuning and Bluetooth 4.1, the stereo provides exceptional audio clarity and supports lossless music formats. Equipped with a 720p AHD waterproof backup camera, the system enhances safety with its wide-angle view and night vision capabilities. The stereo features a 720 by 1280 HD capacitive touchscreen, which offers crystal-clear visuals for maps and media, along with built-in GPS navigation for efficient route planning. The MirrorLink feature allows smartphone content to be displayed on the large screen, while FM, AM, and RDS radios keep you updated with traffic alerts and news. Installation requires attention to detail, ensuring compatibility with your dashboard and possibly needing additional adapters for a professional finish.